no stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town. Yeah.
Hi love, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, hi, I'm Debbie. Please don't forget to subscribe to be a part of this family. So I've really been in an unproductive space lately. My health has just been up and down. So I've been in Takrady for a while now with my family because I needed it, okay? But I'm feeling a lot better now, so I decided to just come back to Accra, where my life is right now. But yeah, I all know how life here is so chaotic, and I don't want to feel burnt out or anything this new month, so let's do a little monthly reset. So I've been learning some new habits lately that are really helping my life to be so much easier, and one of them is budgeting. So I used to wonder where all my monies were going to by the second or third week of the month. It's not like you don't get money, you get money, but you still end up broke before the month ends. So I started learning everything I needed to know about budgeting, and I just settled on this 50, 30, 20% rule. So 50% of whatever you earn in the month, like your monthly income, should be for your needs, and then 30% goes to your wants, and then 20% are for your savings. You may be a student, you don't work, you don't have a side hustle, but you do get money from your parents, so you could consider that as your monthly income and just divide them by these percentages. So assuming you're a student and your parents give you like 3,000 every month, 50% of the 3,000 going into your needs will be 1,500, and then 900 cedis will go into your wants. That's the 30% of the 3,000 cedis, and the 20% of 3,000 cedis will be 600 cedis, which will go into your savings. You can just divide that and just put 300 into your emergency, and then 300 into your savings. So you don't touch the emergency savings, okay? Until it's an emergency, don't go there. Like, please don't. Whatever you write under your needs and your wants should be according to your personal preference. This is just an example to let you know what I'm talking about. So once you know how much is going into your needs, your wants, and the savings, you go ahead and just demarcate them using your budget binder. It's okay if you don't have a budget binder. I don't have one myself, but I created one. So I basically took sheets of papers, like small sheets, and wrote down everything that I wrote under the needs and the wants on the papers. And then I put them in these plain rubbers, and then put them in a little cute purse. So with each rubber you bring out, there is something on it. As you can see, I've been able to save a little from the previous months by doing this. You can just push whatever that is left at the end of the month into your savings, or just keep adding till you can spend everything. So yeah, I just hope I helped you with your finances by sharing this. For the day, I'm going to be prepping my lock extensions. This is going to be the second time I'll be using these extensions, and yeah, I'm washing it with this shampoo from Nationality hair care. If you follow my Instagram or TikTok, you've probably seen me post an ad about them. Yeah, I know it's meant for my natural hair, but this thing smells so good, and since I had these locks on my hair for about 4 months, it's a little stinky, so I definitely need this fragrance in the hair. Sample before the actual products came in, so I decided to just continue the washing with the sample. So I washed it twice and then hanged it out in the sun to dry.
Tonight, I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Decide to on the low, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tight. Cause they won't tell, cause they tryna live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Get me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah, almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Ooh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Cause I too on the low, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tight. Cause they won't tell, cause they tryna live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting.
Full crate.
Before we drift any
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need.
This bitch got me paying for tips. Diamonds on her neck, diamonds on her wrist. And here I am all alone, all alone. I'm so cold, you got me out here.
I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play.
All you need, but I was wrong. Is she my love?
Hey, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? Yeah, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna make it so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it away and say my love that I was not the same? Yeah, how you gonna throw it away? Acting like the same and nothing to you is your tongue. Frontin' like you numb, it got me gone. Only about yourself. Wanna find somebody else, so why put up with this? Why did I even die? You said you'd hold me down forever, but you lied to me, lied to me. You gotta be mental in the head. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight.